Hello, Mary C. Williams friends. This is Miss Britt here. I am going to go over the problem of the day from day 20 on May 6th. Mrs. Caldwell ate 3/4 of her taco yesterday for dinner because it was Cinco de Mayo. Mr. Caldwell ate 7/9 of his taco for dinner. Compare the two amounts of tacos eaten by Mrs. and Mr. Caldwell and tell who ate more of their tacos. So we are going to compare the two amounts of tacos and tell who ate more of their taco. So we need to know blank ate more of their taco. And we need to compare these two amounts. So Mr. Caldwell ate 7/9, that's Mr., and this is Mrs. And she ate 3/4 of hers. So we have a couple of ways that we can compare fractions. Let's start with the area model because we're all very familiar with that way. When you make an area model, make sure that your rectangles are the same length so that you are comparing the same size whole. We have 3/4 and we have 7/9. 3/4, 7/9. For 3/4, I'm going to split it in the middle first because 4 is an even number, and then I'm going to split it into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3/4. 9 is not an even number, so I'm not going to split it in the middle. I'm going to split it a little off to the side and see if this works. 4. Close. Some of those are not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's fix this. All right, to the best of my ability, there are my ninths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, super close. So whenever you get it and it's that super close, I mean, it is super close. There's only this much difference. I think 7/9 is the greater fraction, but based on my area model and the fact that I had a hard time, I need to do another method to test which one is greater. So I am going to do the most accurate way because I could make a linear model, but I would still have the same issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what we've been learning, which is making common denominators. That is a definite way to see which one is greater. So we have 3/4 and we're going to compare it to 7/9. My denominators are 4 and 9. What are my multiples of 4? What are my multiples of 9? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, keep going, 32, 36. I'm going to stop there because I know that when I count by nines, I say 36. 9, 18, 27, 36. Perfect. So now I'm going to make equivalent fractions for 3/4 and 7/9. So 3/4 equals how many 36 and 7/9 equals how many 36. So 3/4 equals how many 36 and 7/9 equals how many 36. All I have to do is ask myself, If I'm at 4 here and this is 36, what do I have to do to 4 to get to 36? Well, since this number is getting larger, I'm going to be multiplying. What do I multiply by? Perfect. 4 times 9. If I multiply the bottom by 9, I have to multiply the top by 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Perfect. And what about here? 9 times 4. Perfect. And so then I need to do it, yep. 7 times 4 is 28. And you can see very easily why it was so hard to see it right here, because the difference in the numbers is just 1. So 3/4 is the same thing as 27/36, and 7/9 is the same thing as 28/36. They're so close to one another. So just by a smidgen, 7/9 is greater than 3/4. All right, friends, I hope this helped. I totally forgot to write it, but who ate more? Yep, Mr. Caldwell ate more because he ate the 7/9. Perfect.